Hello, welcome. This is Adam Shelton back with another episode of Achieving Financial Freedom every single day. Today's episode, I wanted to talk about working from home by playing video games. As you see here on the screen here, GamingJobsOnline.com is the #1 gaming job website since 2008. I did a video about this about 2 months ago about making money online by playing video games, and this site here is fantastic. I will have the website below this video, but you can click on and get started today for only $1. $1 you can get paid to play video games. Now on this site here, the first thing you'll see a tutorial that talks about playing video games online. So watch the tutorial, get the information on that. I've signed up and made money online. This is a very good website to do that. And then just scroll down to here, you'll learn more about it. You hear some testimonies about how people have made money online by playing video games. And right here is some information, more additional information. You can get paid to take online surveys and make from $5 to $75 each. Fantastic. That's good money. And it also talks about different types of games and systems like Nintendo, EA, Sega games, even old school games here on that I see here. And then back here, all the way down here, you'll create an account, choose a job, and get paid. That's all you do. And so that's basically the main thing about it here. You join here, start getting paid to play video games right here. So if you're interested in playing video games online and getting paid for it, start today. So you'll click here, and once you click here, you will sign up for an account and a membership here. And it'll say access to gaming jobs database and access to 100 work at home video game testers. So you can be a tester job. You can do a lot of games by playing tests. And you can sign up right here. It says a limited time. This is today, $1. So this probably going on for the next couple of days. And then you'll click here to join. So if you're interested in playing video games online, I advise you to take advantage of this great opportunity. Video games online every single day.
Ever dreamed of
This is Adam Shelton signing off here. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, show hearts, everything. Share this video to friends and family that are interested in making money online by playing video games. This is Adam Shelton to achieve financial freedom every day, and I'll see you in the next video.